Hadka. Now, Naveen, it's another COP. It's not about climate, but it's about another interrelated, massive issue. What are its aims?
So basically, you see, the main thing what it aims to do is make all these countries commit 30% of global land and 30% of ocean to be protected for biodiversity. That is the thing. Now, when you say that biodiversity, it definitely entails almost everything, the web of life, so to say, where we live on this planet, and then that also brings in climate. But then having said that, there are also other issues like how do we crack down, say, issues like plastic waste or pesticides or even invasive species. So there are rafts of issues there, altogether. But the thing is, how do you do it? Because this is not for the first time happening. We had similar issues in 2010. That was known as, in Japan, same COP, biodiversity COP, and they had all these targets.
And the number of species under threat are increasing, aren't they?
So in the meantime, like you rightly said, in the meantime, this report, IPBES, it's called, it came out with this very, very stark warning that 1 million species face extinction risks. Of course, not tomorrow, but then there's this time scale within decades. Now, what does that mean? So that is where the worry comes in. When you have this destabilized thing, then everything goes topsy-turvy, and we face the consequences. It impacts us.
It's interesting, isn't it? I mean, COP27, last month in Egypt, attended by world leaders. This one in Montreal, I think the only leader there is Justin Trudeau, and that's because he's the leader of Canada. Nobody else there. So where is the world's commitment to this?
Well, that is indeed a very, very big point. Everybody is asking, does that mean there is no commitment then? And like you rightly said, you see, recently, for example, last August, there was this meeting, another very, very crucial meeting. It was called the Global Ocean Treaty. It was supposed to be signed with similar commitment, 30% of ocean to be protected for biodiversity. That failed. So that's another indication that maybe countries are not serious enough. And then also, it's not just about these figures. The thing is the details about how do you do it and how do you confirm, how do you verify.
Also, who's going to pay for it?
Of course, money is also there. How do you confirm? And see, the thing is, that is why. So the fundamental here is climate change and biodiversity, known as twin sisters.
The thing is, I mean, America has not signed up to it, neither has the Vatican. I mean, those are the two countries which aren't. But who genuinely believes anything materially different is going to come out of this conference when you haven't even got world leaders there?
Yeah, so the host country, Canada, has tried to kind of strike a bit of a positive note, announcing some money in terms of helping countries. But again, we need to see all these countries, will they follow suit? And the thing is, you see, the thing is, the twin sisters, climate change and biodiversity, climate change having enjoyed all this focus, still not moving, and ignored sister, biodiversity, will it get that treatment, is the question.
Yeah, all right. Naveen, thank you very much.